Here's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Honda Link, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, external memory control, Bluetooth hands-free link, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.